Health benefits of meditation that have been proven. Meditation increases your awareness and focus ability. Meditation shifts brain patterns, which increases brain performance. Studies compared volunteers who meditated every day with people that never meditated. Brain scan results reveal more thought control. Meditation reduces blood pressure. There's one meditation technique that has been proven to be great for reducing blood pressure. Meditation helps you relax and reduces your stress levels, which lowers your blood pressure. Meditation reduces stress and anxiety. It has been proven that just 20 minutes of meditation a day can lower your body's levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Meditation can help reduce alcohol abuse. So, how does meditation help you cut alcohol and substance addiction? Stress is one of the main causes of alcohol and substance abuse, so less stress, less chance of addiction. Meditation enhances our attention span and concentration, allowing us to forget about our numerous cravings. Meditation may help you live longer. It's been concluded that meditation may just help increase your lifespan. How does it work? The length of our telomeres has been found to grow with meditation. Telomeres are the protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes that safeguard our DNA from deterioration. As we grow older, our telomeres are worn down and our DNA loses its ability to replicate. As this happens, our bodies weaken and age. Increasing the length of our telomeres could potentially help protect our DNA for longer, resulting in an increased lifespan. Meditation improves mental stability and resilience. Meditation is a fantastic way to improve your mental toughness and strength. Your mind gets healthier and stronger as a result of lower stress, increased relaxation, and improved focus. As a result, you become more resilient and capable of focusing on the things that are most important to you. Feelings of loneliness are reduced through meditation. Meditation benefits in the treatment of depression. Worrying thoughts, stress, and other things that mindfulness techniques can assist control can all contribute to feelings of depression. A happy and healthy mind can help overcome these symptoms. Meditation enhances your alertness. Meditation can actually help you increase your cognitive awareness, allowing you to respond faster. Meditation improves your ability to process information. Do you want to learn and know more about meditation? Click the link below in the description.